Welcome back to the Man Cave update. The title of this video may be slightly misleading. If you have come just purely for the tits, the only tits you're going to see are the blue tits that are nesting in the Man Cave nesting box. That said, we do have beer and we do have bikes. So some of the things going on at the moment, we've still got the Zephyr 750 ongoing. It doesn't matter how much attention I seem to lavish on that engine, it still doesn't want to run or doesn't want to go back to life. I've got a few things to do at the moment. Since I ground the valves in, that's adjusted the valve shim gaps, so I've got to redo all those and probably buy new shims. It should be back together soon. It's just I'm losing the will to live and I'm then moving on to other things like the CBR Fireblade. Again, I'm waiting on things for this. I've checked the shims. There's 4 that are out of spec and I've ordered 4 shims from a well-known on-title line retailer, and it's taken, I think I ordered them 10 days ago and they still haven't turned up. I have emailed them but nothing has come back of that yet. I don't want to get ahead of the game and start doing too many other things, otherwise I'll have lots and lots of bits and bobs hanging around half done and half taken apart. So I want to do that first, put it back in the engine, put it back in the frame, which has been powder coated. I'll show you some videos. So I want to get that back in before I move on to other stuff. I want to get the tyres, or the wheels powder coated, so I want to get the tyres off those. I'm going to probably spray those white. I've taken some forks apart. So I took these apart because I wanted this powder coated when I powder coated the frame, but the powder coater wasn't too keen on doing it still attached. Now I know you can take them apart, but I didn't want to force it or break it, so I'm just going to cerakote that because I bought a cerakoting kit. So I have been cerakoting some things, and I'll show you those in a second. So I'm going to get these engine covers off and get those cerakoted. I've got a kind of gunmetal grey, which I'm going to do these in. So as well as the cerakoter, I've also bought myself a polishing wheel. I'm hoping to polish some things up rather than just paint everything. I'd rather keep things quite original. I'm hoping to try and polish out some of these pit marks. I have given it a little rub down. Now the pitting isn't on the end here where it travels into the fork, and then that would damage, of course, the oil seals when I do replace them for new ones, but it doesn't look very pleasant. I would buy some new ones, but they're quite expensive. Maybe getting hold of some second-hand ones might be a good idea, but I think these will go back in the bike for the moment. So that's it for the moment until I get this engine sorted out and back in the frame. At the time of watching this video, we're probably approaching about 4,000 subscribers. I might be over there by now. Only 10% of the people that watch this channel actually subscribe to it. So there's 90% of people who are coming in and watching a few videos that don't subscribe. It'd be nice if you could. It'll help the channel grow. Some videos take off and do quite well. Like the first CBR video has done about, I don't know, 4,000 views. And the second one's only done a few hundred. It's funny how some things take off and some things don't. I don't know what was bringing people in to watch that video that wasn't watching the other one. But if you could subscribe, it'll be great, and I'll catch you in the next video.